Today is going to be dry and sunny for most of us. Thicker cloud will bring some patchy rain into western Scotland and Northern Ireland later. And as we go through this week, it's getting much warmer or hotter. I'll have all the details. I've got a wee bit of everything, Sal. Once again, good morning to you. This morning it's a chilly start. If you are in the Highlands, especially the North Highlands, temperatures have fallen to 2 degrees overnight. You did hear that correctly. But as we go through the next few days and nights, it is going to get warmer. Now today is going to be mostly dry and sunny. The brisk breeze that we had yesterday continuing to ease, and we're starting on that vein. A lot of sunshine. Northern Ireland starting on a sunny note, but it's going to cloud over for you as it will across western Scotland through the day with some patchy light rain or drizzle. We could catch the odd shower in East Anglia, for example, this morning. That will tend to fizzle though, and then at times through the day we could see a wee bit more cloud coming in from the North Sea along the east coast. But that's really the exception to the rule. For most of us in the sunshine, it's going to feel pleasant. It's going to be warmer than yesterday, 24 or 25 in the south, but quite widely 15 to 22 degrees. As we head on through the evening and overnight period, once again, we're looking at some clear skies, but our weak weather front pushes southwards and eastwards, so we'll see cloud more widely. Thick enough potentially for the odd spot in parts of northwest England and northwest Wales. But again, that is the exception rather than the rule, and not as cold a night in the north. We're looking at widely 11 to 13 degrees. If you're off to Wimbledon today, though, just a quick note that we are looking at a dry day. It's going to be sunny and with light breezes too. Sal and Ben.
Carol, thank you very much. We'll talk to you again soon.
It's getting warmer, Sal, or hotter, depending on where you are as we go through this week. But I want to show you some quite rare clouds that our brilliant weather watchers spotted last night. Now, they're called noctilucent clouds, sometimes referred to as night shining clouds. They are quite rare. They're at high altitude, usually about 40 miles up or so. They're made up, you see them here, made up of ice crystals and meteor dust. And the best time to see them is a couple of weeks either side of the summer solstice. So spectacular clouds, not a lot of clouds for many of us today. We're looking at a largely dry day with a fair bit of sunshine. At times there'll be a wee bit more cloud coming down the North Sea coastline. And then we've got a weak weather front coming into the west, introducing some thicker cloud and some patchy light rain or drizzle across Northern Ireland and western Scotland. Not as brisk a breeze as yesterday, with our temperature range 15 to 24 degrees. Into this evening and overnight, clear skies to start with, but our weak weather front sinks southwards and eastwards, taking the cloud with it. Could be the odd spot of light rain across northwest England, northwest Wales, and it's not going to be as cool a night as it was last night. These are our overnight lows, 11 to 13 degrees. So into tomorrow, we start with a bit more cloud around, but we'll see breaks in that cloud, some sunshine around, another weather front bringing some patchy light rain in across northwest Scotland, pushing northwards through the course of the day, and temperatures tomorrow a little bit warmer. We've got 21 in Aberdeen to 26 in London. The outlook beyond that shows that we're looking at a lot of dry weather. Not good news if you're after some rain, but the temperatures continuing to climb. Sal.
Carol, thank you.